This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Edge here. I have Microsoft Edge opened up now. To enable or disable dark mode, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Appearance. And then at the very top up here, it says Overall Appearance. Applies to new tabs, pages, dialogues, and other menus. As you can see, I currently have it set to System, but you can set it to Light or to Dark. I'm going to click on Dark. And as you can see, it has now went to dark mode. Now if I go back to the YouTube page, I'll have to refresh. And now YouTube is in dark mode. But that is how to enable or disable dark mode on the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.